A UK senior health official insists 70% of adults will have to be vaccinated for lockdown to be lifted on July 19. But an expert says the country could open up sooner rather than later because of the scale of the vaccine rollout.
There was one goal at this football stadium: to vaccinate as many as possible. And the dreary old day didn't dampen determination. Just look at the queues. And as vaccinations increase, so do expectations. Greater freedoms will follow.
I think we need to ease them, and quickly, I think. So the more people who get vaccinated, the better.
If you get enough vaccinations and you're getting down the hospitalization rate, at some point they will have to reopen, right? Because you just can't stay locked in forever.
If they need to, they should definitely keep it as long as possible, because it's important that everyone gets vaccinated as quickly as possible. That's why we're here, because our age group hasn't actually been allowed to get vaccine yet, but this mass one means that we actually can.
Obviously, it would be great if we could get out of this finally, but yeah, I'm very much just riding the wave and seeing what happens.
Restrictions were meant to be relaxed next week. That's been delayed until July the 19th. But some argue current vaccine rates mean we could ease earlier.
This is very encouraging. It will mean that we'll be able to fully open up sooner rather than later. There's clear evidence here that the vaccination, certainly in the older populations, is working. So although the number of cases may increase, the number of hospitalisations or deaths or expected deaths is not increasing in line with the previous waves.
The question now is the virus outrunning vaccination. Well, as of the 19th of June, over 81% of the population have received their first dose of a vaccine, and more than 59% have had both jabs. By July the 19th, the government wants everyone over 18 to have been offered a first dose and to have 2/3 of adults fully vaccinated. Many experts say that's why time is needed to ensure this happens, and caution against lifting lockdown any earlier.
My strong opinion is the longer we just take our time and get through this period to get the maximum amount of people vaccinated is a positive thing for this summer and to get us through this winter. So I would strongly, my view would be to keep going.
Decisions will be based on data. It's looking promising for July the 19th, but any earlier still seems unlikely. Laura Bundock, Sky News.